Hi everyone, thank you for watching. It's Beeston and Sara Varady, and we are here to talk about our work a little bit for you. Alex, can you explain to us what we see behind you, what it represents, what's the meaning behind it?
Well, this drawing was something that I started in the middle of my BA, and it started a whole progression of work trying to explain future outcomes around philosophy on how human society combines and different ideas around material and science, and just generally the contradictions of ideas of how we exist really, and trying to sort of push and pull them together in some sort of abstract way that can be read as a whole drawing, and that's a lot of how it came to be, and there's been many other works that have followed this in a succession and a series, so that's something that you can also see if you click the links we will provide.
So tell a little bit about some details that you have here, what are they represent?
These are human beings or the part of what Deleuze called the individual. It's not the individual, they're part of a collective society that is used to keep society going in a protein, as if they were used to sustain society when there is no plant food to eat. This is why this is here with the corn, so the earth has become radiated, so then we feed each other with each other to create an eternal cycle. And this part up here is about the class system and how everyone will be involved in this lottery, but there's obviously some people that get to choose how they will meet their end.
Very interesting, thank you.
So Sara, tell us a little bit about your etchings, what inspires you and why you like to etch in the medium.
I like the etching medium because it is a 16th century Asian medium, and I find it fascinating that it survived and we kept it as an art form. I enjoyed doing it, I enjoyed the material, I enjoyed the touch of the paper, the smell of the acid, the smell of all the other chemicals, using an actual plate, a metal plate, to create the work. I create narratives for figures that represent souls and different human beings. And in this situation, it's manifested into a female's body, but it doesn't necessarily refers to a female. So it can be any kind of figure, and it can be a dad-son relationship, for instance, or it could be a romantic relationship. It could be a relationship between friends or a stranger on the road. And these are just different narratives pointing out and picking these situations out and showing it in a posed image. For example, here you can see the connection between the people with the light and how these two figures is longing to each other, while on the top you can see that the figures has been grown apart and one figure is looking at the other side while the other one is caught up in some kind of emotional energy drama. And I create these works in a way that everybody can relate to, because these core emotions are the same in every one of us.
Okay, and we will be exhibiting at the other art fair in London on the 1st of July, so you can come grab a ticket, come along and see us. We'll be selling originals, prints, come and talk to us, chat about our work in person.
We have set up a GoFundMe page which can help us to represent ourselves in the art fair. So if you can, please help us in that, and see you at the art fair. We are very, very much looking forward to see you and show our new works that we have been working at the moment, and you can see it here because it's a secret.
And thanks again for any support you can provide.
Bye, have a
Bye.
nice day.